Hello everyone, welcome to this video. So in unit 5 we were discussing about various data structures, right? So we have discussed about list, we have discussed about tuples and sequences, right? And so today in this video we are going to discuss about sets, okay? So Python also includes a data type which is for sets, right? Now about sets you can understand very nicely if you have studied set theory in mathematics, right? So if you have studied that, then it will be better for you to understand, but otherwise also it is fine. So a set is an unordered collection with no duplicate elements, right? So if you have studied, you will know that in set what is there, order does not matters, right? In set, order does not matters. And what is this set? It is just a collection of some elements where duplicates are not allowed, right? So all unique elements will be there, but they can be in any order, right? That means a set which is having the elements 1 2 3 and other set which is having 3 to 1, both means the same thing, both are same set, okay? Because only the elements matter, in what order they are present, that does not matters, okay? Now so what is the basic use of set when you are going to use set? So if you have to check membership of some element, right, that this is my element and this element belongs to this particular sequence or not, this particular group or not, or collection or not, right? So if such kind of testing you have to do, then you should go for set. So that is one use. And other use is if you want to eliminate duplicate entries, okay? Let us say you just want unique elements. In that case also you can go for set, okay? Now, set objects also support mathematical operations like union, intersection, difference, and symmetric difference. So, as I was saying, right, that actually this entire set concept has come from set theory, which you study in mathematics, right? So, in that set theory, we are having multiple operations like union, intersection, and everything. So, all those operations you can apply here. So, some particular operators are there which you have to use. So, how to do that I will be showing in this lecture, okay? So just remember, whatever set operations are there, we can perform it here. All right. Now the question is how to create a set, right? What is the representation? Like for list we use square brackets, right? For tuples we are using parenthesis. So in the similar way, for set what we use? So for set we use this curly braces, okay? So if anything which is written in curly braces, that you have to understand as set, okay? So curly braces is one way of creating a set, and otherwise you can create set using this set function also, okay? Now here one very important point is there which you have to keep in mind, otherwise you can do some kind of logical error in your program. And that is, if you want to create empty set, let us say if you want to create empty set, then always you have to go for this set function only. For creating empty set you cannot use this curly braces. What is the reason I will show you practically also, but let me just tell you as of now that if you're creating set, some name you're writing and equal to just empty braces you are writing, in that case it will be considered as dictionary. Dictionary is another kind of data structure in Python. So the next video lecture is going to be about dictionary only, okay? So as of now, if you don't know about it, no problem, but the thing is that just understand that it will be considered as a different, some another kind of data structure, not as set. So that is why for empty set you have to always go with this set function only. So this is one very important point you have to remember. So with that only, it has been said here, the later creates an empty dictionary, okay, which is a data structure we will study in the next section. So similarly I will be taking it in the next lecture, okay? All right, so here one example has been given, okay, for demonstrating that how you can create set and what kind of operations you can perform. Let us just go through this example quickly, and then I will be showing some other example practically. Okay, so as you can see, basket is equal to, here you have to notice this curly braces, right? So since it is written inside curly braces, if you print the type of this basket, you will get set, okay? And inside this elements are there, right? Apple, orange, so various types of fruit names are written over here. Now if you notice, actually the list is containing some duplicates, right? As you can see, apple is present I think 2 times, here also and here also, right? Similarly orange is present here and here. Pear is, I guess, only once, and banana is also once. Okay. Now, if you print basket, I'm printing, right? This basket has been printed. In that case, you see the output. Every name is printed only one time. Although apple is present two times, orange is present two times, right? But they are getting printed only once, right? So that is the meaning that always the unique elements are printed, and whatever duplicates are there, they are automatically removed. Okay. So this is how it is done. And also you can just see the order, how the order has been changed. Here apple is there first, but here apple is at last, right? Then orange is in second, but here orange came first. Okay. Then as you can see here, pear and banana, first of all pear is there, then banana is there, but here banana is at uh, you know before pear, right? So this is how the order has been changed. So you cannot determine the order initially. Okay. All right. Now, as I said, the two main purpose of using set is first of all membership and then duplicate removing, right? So duplicate removing we have seen here, the duplicates has been removed, right? So the other operation which we are having, other purpose which we are having, that is membership checking, right? So that is what is done here. As you can see here, orange, this particular string, if you want to check that it is present in this basket or not, so I'm checking that orange is a member of basket or not. So that is called membership checking. So how we can do that? We can do it using this in keyword. Okay. So since orange is a member, it is printing true. But again, crabgrass is not a member, so it is printing false, right? So it is very easy to understand. Now let us come to the set operations, which I was talking about, the mathematical operations, which we can, apply here. So that is, so A is equal to, again you see, in this particular case, the set has been created using the set function, right? You could have also done it like putting in curly braces and each letter you're writing separately by giving comma and all, right? But that will take time. This is easier in that case, okay? So using the set function, both A and B, they have been created. You can see what characters are present, right? So here multiple duplicate characters are there. So they all will be removed and only the unique ones will be kept. You can print A and you can see that what output is coming. So that same thing has been done. Here A has been printed and you see, although in this word A is repeated multiple times, R is repeated multiple times, but each letter is printed only once in the main output, okay? So this is how A is printed. Similarly, B also you can print. You will get all the unique letters. Okay. After that, this is one of the set operation. Okay. This is A minus B. So A minus B is what? It is set difference. It is known as set difference. Okay. So in this case, what will happen in this operation? What we are doing? Actually, A is there, right? So from A, I am removing B. That means what? In A, whatever B characters are there, means those characters which are present in B, okay, those will be removed. So that is why, as you can see, in okay, like in B, you see A is present, right? So that A will be removed from this A. Okay, so like that. Again, R is not present in B. Okay, so that is why, but R is present in A, so that is why R is printed. So that is how it is working. Okay, so you can read here letters in A but not in B. That means those letters which are present in A but it should not be in B. That is the basic meaning of set difference. Okay, all right. After that, here A or B has been done, right? That means those letters which are either present in A or present in B. Okay, the letter, if it is present in any of the set, it will be printed. So as you can see, A or B or both. Okay. After that, A and B, that means it is called intersection, right? So that means here those letters will be printed which are present in A and B, both. Okay. So the common letters actually. So here common letters are A and C only. Rest you see like R is present only in A, Z is present only in B. So whichever is common in both, those are printed. So in both A and B. Okay. And after that, we are having this. Okay, that means it is basically you can say XOR operator, okay, which you study in maths. So here what is there? Letters in A or B but not both. Okay, that means such letters which are present either in A or in B but it should not be common. Okay, so that is how these letters are printed. You can see the characters and you can check that it is printing correct or not. Okay. So this is how you can perform the operations. And after that, in some previous lecture, I have already discussed about list comprehension. Okay. what it is and how to do, how to write, everything I have discussed. So very similar to list comprehension, we can also perform set comprehension. Okay, what to do? It is exactly similar, the concept is completely similar to list comprehension, just that you have to add here curly braces. That is the only difference, otherwise both the concepts are completely same. Okay, so if you have understood list comprehension, if you're good with it, then that means you know set comprehension also. All right, so this was about the sets. Let us see one example, and after that we will wind up this lecture. So here, first of all, we have to create some set, right? So a is equal to, let us say, I am writing, so you can have numbers also. So let us create with numbers now. Okay, so like this, some elements I have written, right? And it is inside curly braces. So then, now if I print A, you see only 1, 2, 3, 4 is getting printed. Okay, all right. Now I can print the type. I can print the type of A, right? So what it is printing? It is printing that class set. Okay. Now let us say B, if I want to create like this, empty braces, which we discussed, right? That this should not be used in case of creating empty set. So let us see what kind of issue will come. So I have created, actually any error you will not get, but if you try to print the type of B, okay, if you want to create the type of B, in this case you see what you are getting, the class is what? It is dictionary, right? The short form of that is written, so it is dictionary, it is not set. Okay, like here set is coming, here set is not written. So this is the problem which will come, and that is why what was said, that if you want to create empty set, you have to go for set function. Okay, so if I write here set like this, now if I print B, then you see set is written, and also type of set, type of B you can print, type of B. So like this, if you're printing, then also set is getting printed. Okay, so this is the critical point which you have to remember. Okay, all right, so I hope it is clear. Now after that, uh, let us create B in some different manner, right? So 3 3 1 or whatever. Okay, so these has been created, B you can print. So 1 2 3 6, this is what is getting printed, right? So this is how you have to create the sets. Both I have shown that how to create using curly braces also and set function also. Okay, after that, this membership we can check. So let us say I want to check that 2 is in B or not. So you have to write 2 in B. Okay, so it is printing 2 because it is present. Similarly, I can check that 10 in B or not. So 10 is not in B, that is why it is printing false. Okay, so this is how you can check the membership, and then we can perform some operations, right? So let us perform. So let us say A or B I want to print. Okay, so this is basically actually referring to the set union operation, right? That those elements which are present in A or both, A or B or both, right? Okay, so 1 2 3 4 6, like so as you can see, B is having 1 2 3 6, and here A is having what? 1 2 3 4, right? So basically it is 1 2 3 4 6, that is what is printed. After that, A and B if I write, that means those elements which are present in A and it is present in B also, that means the common ones. So common 1 2 3 is common, that is why it is getting printed. Okay, after that we can have A minus B. Okay, that means those elements which are present in A but not in B. So like that, only one element is there, which is 4. Rest in A, what is there? 1 2 3 is there, but 1 2 3 is present in B also, right? So that is why they are not printed. Okay, and similarly you can also perform B minus A. Okay, this is also valid, and in case of B minus A, what will happen? The elements which are present in B but not in A. So in B, which element is there which is not in A? Actually B is having what? 1 2 3 6, right? Now 1 2 3 is present in A also, so they are rejected, and only 6 is such an element which is not present in A, so that is why 6 is printed. So I hope it is clear. After that, we can perform this operation also. So in this case, those elements which are present either in A or in B but not in both, right? So 4 is not present in both, 6 is also not present in both, so they are printed, but 1 2 3 is present in both, that is why they are not printed. Okay, so this is how you can perform the operations now on various sets, and you can see that what kind of output is coming. Okay, so this was all about sets, and I'm ending this lecture here. Thank you.